Firstly, let's preview the document we plan to send to SmartDocs. Typically, a supplier might send their invoices to a monitored email address directly, or alternatively, they can come into your accounts department and then be forwarded to the monitored address. For this example, we will send an email to the address we've set up for our demonstration, noelautoload@gmail.com. SmartDocs monitors this address at set intervals, and then when it sees a new document, it scans the document, extracting the key information such as invoice number, invoice date, net, and VAT values. While we wait for the document to appear in SmartDocs, let's take a look at our Aqilla instance. Ultimately, the process invoice will appear as a multi-currency purchase invoice in our documents. As you can see, there are none in progress at the moment. Now let's take a look at the creditor record for APM Momentum in Aqilla. Here you can see we have stored an email address in the remittance recipient email field. This is used to identify the supplier using the domain name. We've used an Aqilla address, but this would be an active supplier email address in operation. We also store a default general ledger cost code and a default item description. This is a custom field that SmartDocs reads to pre-populate the item description. SmartDocs uses clever algorithms to determine the supplier based on predefined rules. This could be a lookup of the email domain name stored in the creditor account, as in this example. Alternatively, it can be configured to use the VAT registration number to identify the supplier. This provides a higher level of accuracy, as company names are often displayed as logos on invoices, and logos can be notoriously difficult for machines to recognise. Now let's go over to SmartDocs. Once the document arrives in the SmartDocs portal, we'll click on the document hyperlink to open the document. Here we can see that the header information has been captured together with a single invoice line. We'll click on the box in the action column and enter the line edit view. As you can see, the line edit description and general ledger codes have been populated using the defaults that we set up in the creditor record. SmartDocs uses an API call to check these values in real time. So if we change these values in Aqilla, they will be reflected in SmartDocs. These values can of course be overwritten if necessary. Let's save our changes. We can click on Toggle PDF to view the scanned image, but we'll skip that step for now. Next, click on Submit, and again to confirm, close the dialog box, and the document is now being sent to Aqilla using an API call. Now let's go back to Aqilla. The document has now appeared as a new entered purchase invoice. The document is then ready to be released and approved or posted by the relevant users.